Welcome to our channel. Today we how to scale your caseload with Lexicata, full guide step by step clearly. To scale your caseload with Lexicata, start by creating an account on the Lexicata website. Once registered, log in and familiarize yourself with the dashboard. Explore the various features available to manage your leads and client interactions effectively. Import your existing clients and leads into Lexicata to centralize your information. Use the intake forms feature to streamline the onboarding process for new clients. Customize these forms to gather all necessary information efficiently. Set up automated workflows to ensure timely follow-ups with leads. Implement reminders for important tasks to stay organized and proactive. Utilize the CRM functionalities to track interactions with each client systematically. Analyze the reporting tools to gather insights into your caseload metrics. This data can inform your decisions on where to focus your efforts for growth. Use the client portal feature to keep clients informed and engaged throughout their cases. Encourage clients to upload documents directly to Lexicata for a smoother process. Take advantage of the integration capabilities with other tools you may already use. Engage with Lexicata's support resources and community for best practices and tips. Regularly review and adjust your workflows based on performance and feedback. Consider training sessions to enhance your team's efficiency with Lexicata. By following these steps, you will scale your caseload effectively while enhancing client satisfaction. Embrace ongoing learning and adaptation as you grow your practice with Lexicata. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.